Welcome back. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. We were discussing about mabahasun fil maf'ul bihi. Actually, we discussed this maf'ul bihi, the topic of maf'ul bihi. But now, what are we discussing? We are discussing that if maf'ul bihi happens to be a zamir, and the zamir definitely zamir of mukhatab means you're talking to, or the zamir of mutakallim. So if that zamir becomes what object of the sentence, object of the verb. Now what we have? We have verb and we have doer of the verb, means file, fa'al and file. So if such zamir of mukhatab, that is what hadir, jama means muzakkar hadir, and means zamir of muannas hadir, that comes. So we are supposed to attach that zamir with the verb. Like we've got the sentence means verb, means Zaid hit you or beat you. Now this is the sentence. So zaraba is what verb, and we know that after zaraba we have to bring the file, that is Zaidun. But shall we bring that is what the zamir after the file or before the file? So definitely it is to be brought before the file. So it will be zarabaka Zaidun. So that comes in between the verb and the file, because this is the zamir of hadir. Okay, hadir means either muzakkar or muannas. So we have to bring that zamir or such zamir in between the verb and the file. Same is the case with the zamir of mutakallim, that is ya mutakallim. Okay, like fahasa tabibun. But if I say means the doctor checked me, so I will say in Arabic fahasani at-tabibu. So ya mutakallim, that is going to be attached with the verb fahasa. Do you understand this thing now?
Yeah.
Fahasa, but now fahasa ni, and I told you that in the case that is the zamir of mutakallim, you have to connect it with noon qutni, or no, sorry, noon wiqaya, that is to be connected with the verb with noon al wiqaya. So it will be fahasani at-tabibu, but there is no requirement of noon when there is zamir that is of hadir, either muzakkar hadir or muannas hadir, muzakkar mukhatab or muannas mukhatab. Is that clear? Or shall I repeat it again, the whole
Yes,
lesson?
sir. No.
Yes,
No, I
clear,
understand.
Clear.
clear, sir.
Okay, very good. Go ahead. So now you have the exercise over here that you are supposed to use fail and file and also such as zamir. But I told you that in case of means sigas of mutakallim like sa'attu, because the file is attached with the verb sa'attu, tu is file. So now the zamir of any zamir that will come afterwards, sa'attuhu, sa'attuka, sa'attuki, sa'attukum, likewise. So then the zamir, if that is what mafulan bihi, that will come at the end of the verb. Okay, bismillah. Yes, brother Ayman. 4 sentences you are supposed to do. Zaid ne mujh pe zulm kiya. Yes. What is the
ظلمني
sentence?
زيد.
Very good. Go ahead. क्या किसी ने आपकी मदद की?
So I was confused here. Do we start with أحد نصرت, or is it the opposite?
और هل نصرك أحد? هل نصرك أحد?
نصرك.
Read
Okay.
it, means repeat it properly.
نصرك. هل نصرك
أحد.
أحد.
Yes, go to sentence number 3.
अच्छा, आप सब ने मेरा इस्तकबाल किया. इस्तकबलतुमूनी.
Very good. Very good. Yes, go ahead.
आप सब ने हमारा इकराम किया. अकरमतुमूनी.
आप
हमारा
सब ने
अकरमतुमूना.
Akramtumuna. Yes. Okay. So, sister, now it's your turn. Sister Saima, is it your turn?
Yes, sir.
Bismillah.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes. Now I can hear you.
Aisha served me. قدمني عائشة. Did you, plural, ask him about Zaid? Okay. Ask him. Okay.
Ask,
is it him
you
or me, sir?
me. You asked.
All right. Okay. Right. Okay. هل سألتموني عن زيد?
Yes. Good.
The two children annoyed me. أزعجني الطفلان.
Good. أزعجني الطفلان. Yes.
Is it أزعجني? Does the jim have is it jazm?
Yes. أزعجني.
Okay. Did you help them, as in plural? هل ساعدتموهم?
Okay. هل ساعدتهم هل نصرتموهم?
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Shall I continue, sir? How many are we doing? 4?
5. So you have to do the 9th one.
Right. Okay. I met Khadija at the library. قابلت خديجة في المكتبة sorry بالمكتبة.
खदीजा मुझे कुतुबखाने में मिली. खदीजा is file.
Khadija is file.
قابلتني الخديجة أو خديجة not الخديجة. قابلتني خديجة. Sorry, خديجة. It's خديجة is what? غير منصرف.
قابلتني خديجة في المكتبة.
Very good. Yes. Yes, Asma, go ahead. From 10 to 14.
क्या आप सबने इन सबसे टेलीफोन के जरिए बात की? हल तुकल्लिमुनी
और हल कल्लमतुमुनी और हल कल्लमतु. What is the sentence?
हल
क्या आप
कल्लमतुमुनी
सबने उन सब से टेलीफोन के जरिए बात की? Okay, just a minute. Sister, they means we were doing Qabalatni Khadijatu, right? It is not Qabal, means I think I made error over there. Qabal, no, it is Qabalat. Yes, that was correct.
So,
okay.
Qabalatni.
Yes. Qabalat. Qabala, Qabala, Qabalu, Qabalat, Qabalata, and Qabalna. Yes. Babul Mufa'ala.
So you did say Qabaltani.
Qabalat. I made mistake over there. Qabalatna, not but Qabalat. Okay. Yes, Asma, go ahead. क्या आप सबने उन सब से काबलत
sorry, you break them, so it was Qabalatni.
Qabalatni.
Khadija too. Okay.
Yes. Yes, Asma. Hurry up. Asma.
Yes.
Well, yes. Go ahead. Sentence number 10.
इन किताबों ने मुझे बहुत नफा पहुंचाया.
Sentence number 10. 10 we did not complete it.
Sorry.
क्या आप सब ने उन सब से टेलीफोन पे बात की? Do it. हल कल्लमतुमुहुम बिलहातिफी. بالهاتف. هل كلمتموهم بالهاتف؟ بالهاتف. Yes.
بالهاتف. Okay.
Yes, when we talk about telephone, that is hataf. If we talk about mobile, that is jawwal. There is difference. Go ahead.
इन किताबों ने मुझे बहुत नफ़ा पहुंचाया। नफ़अतुमूनी
नफ़अतनी हादिहिल कुतुबु। नफ़अतनी
नफ़अतनी
हादिहिल कुतुबु।
नफ़अतनी हादिह कुतुब
Yes.
नफ़अतनी हादिहिल कुतुब।
Yes. Go ahead.
आप सबने उसे नहीं सुना। आप सबने उसे नहीं सुना। लास
नहीं माँ आप सबने
नहीं
हाँ यस
मा
माँ
समिअतुमूनी मा समिअतुमूनी
उस
समिअतुमूनी
समिअतुमुहु मा समिअतुमुहु।
मा
Okay.
समिअतुमुहु।
Yes.
So can you say lam at the beginning? No, lam.
Ma sami'tum lam. If you use lam tasma'uhu tasma'u, then lam comes before fi'lul mudari.
Oh yes, it does. It does. Okay.
Yes. Yes, Asma, go for 2 sentences.
मेरी
then we
वालिदा ने मुझे जाने से रोका। मना मनाअती वालिदती अनिल खुरूजी।
मनअतनी वालिदती
मनाअतनी
anil khuruj.
मिनल खुरूजी
Anil
अनिल
khuruj.
खुरूज।
Okay, last sentence.
तुम सबने उसे नापसंद किया। करेहतुमूहु
Karehtumuhu. So I think for today, alhamdulillah, that is more than enough. And you have done very good work. May Allah Almighty bless you. Keep on doing your good work and continue with your efforts. So inshallah, we'll meet tomorrow around 3, inshallah. I'll let you know the time again. Just stop the...
You said nafa.
Yes, sister, what are you
Right.
saying? इन किताबों ने मुझे बहुत नफा पहुंचाया.
Yeah. You said it was nafa'atni. Can I ask why it's mu'annath? Is it referring to the books? That's why it's mu'annath.
So we use هذا كتب or هذه الكتب or هذه كتب.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. Yeah, هذه for
On because
jama.
that is jama taksir غير عاقل. So that's why if we are using a verb for jama غير عاقل, that will be a واحد مؤنث. نفعتني هذه الكتب, because the file happens to be jama غير عاقل or jama taksir.
Yes, sir. Okay,
right?
Yes,
okay, so we end our session over here. Inshallah, see you tomorrow. Prayers are requested, and keep on working hard. May Allah bless you. May Allah make it easy for us. Allahumma la sahla illa ma ja'altahu sahla wa anta taj'alul hazana idha shi'ta sahla. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alaikum assalam wa